Okay, so if I'm not cool enough, I just sort of put on the final level of coolness, which is sunglasses, because it's actually sunny today, which seems to be a bit weird. Right, okay, am I left-footed or right-footed? I think I'm left-footed. I've got to turn the damn thing on first. God's truth. Well, this is kind of neat. It picks up nicely. You can't half feel the road though, so you're not going over many potholes or bumps and lumps and things. Kind of neat. I like this. I have this gyrocopter flash electric foldable scooter, and this is for scooting around town. So I'm on kind of a contract at the moment. I'm in Powell River, and this would be a great place to test one of these scooters out. Now on my travels, you go to these typically European countries and South American countries like Lima in Peru, and everybody's on these scooters because they're super small. They fold up to nothing, and you just kind of carry them around with you. See if these things are any good, and can you get around on them safely? Will the police leave you alone? That kind of stuff. And are they kind of like a day-to-day vehicle? Because here in Powell River I'm literally 10 minutes away from work. So every time I get up, I get into my little Honda Element and drive down to work and then drive back. This is kind of free. I think it's cool, because the idea, if I get on this, I can go down to work, I can get off, I can go onto the ward, plug it in, and I can plug it in for free, recharge it, and then come back home at night. Now, that's the idea. Whether I'm going to kill myself actually doing this and fall off it or what, I don't know. And the other thing, I had to go and buy this. It's the first thing I bought. I had to zip off and buy it today. So in British Columbia, everything that, like cycle-wise, has to have a bell. Yes. So I bought me the bell. So let's get this thing out of the box and see what we've got. The gyrocopter flash. Saviour of the universe. Well, kind of sure. Oh no! It's already got a bell on it. Is that a bell? It's not a bell. What the hell's that? Okay, Sunday afternoon adventure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little scooter that I bought, you know, the one that I can't remember actually buying, but it kind of turned up, and take it down to the beach, which is about probably 10-15 minutes away, somewhere around there, and go through Willingdon Park, which is it's like a logging museum,
and then out the other end and towards the paper mill. Now, paper mill's quite interesting because like a local landmark there's these concrete ships that they made during the Second World War, and they're all kind of lined up and they make like a harbour, and they float the wood in to reduce to pulp to make the paper. But on the logs, last time I was down there was loads of seals and sea lions, big things. So I'm going to go and fly my drone over there because you can't get to it. So I'm hoping to go down there, fly my drone and see what's down there. So, but first I've got to get down to the beach without killing myself on this scooter. Okay, let's go. Right, so here we have pedestrians, and pedestrians don't tend to move, especially here. Oh, it doesn't like grass. It does not like grass. And I know it doesn't like puddles neither. Just get through this. Oh, I like that doggy. That's a great doggy. Right, doesn't like grass, especially soggy grass. Good job. I'm not going on grass. So I'm in Area 51, the Willingdon Beach Trail. And I guess what we're going to do, an hour and 43, should be alright. Okay, I'm still showing full power, which is nice. Okay. Hello. So I guess on the other thing, it's kind of destroying a good walk. What the hell? But I need to try out a scooter, not try out my legs. Kind of neat here, isn't it? It's pretty. Okay. What the hell? That's the only thing with little wheels, is they are super bumpy. Look, says it all. Okay, a little bit of a view. Tides that. Okay, maybe I should be doing that. But scooter it, see if we can catch her up. So I think when you, the other thing is when you put your foot on the ground and give it a push, gives it a little bit more of a kinetic push, which is kind of neat. So I'm kind of whacking on now.
Yay, beat you!
So I think I need to be probably by that yellow thing over there. So there's the ships in front of me. Okay, so that was my day filming. So let's go home.